Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Agile plugin access management feature. Firstly, about few words about the feature itself. The Agile management means that non-administrator users can have access to Agile and other options related to Agile. So, for example, currently I'm logged in as administrator, so I could see the Agile, as well as if I go to a project, I could see the Agile backlog. So, um yeah, uh, as this feature is about non-administrator users, so I have to create firstly a Redmine user that is not administrator in Redmine. So I go to administration, then users, then new user. So here I create some testing user, which in our case I'm going to name it Neo from the matrix. Okay, and the email is something similar, neomatrix.matrix.com. Okay, so here is very important that I select non-administrator user. Okay, so I put some password here and just create the user. Okay, so the user is created. On some project I put the Agile project, and in the Agile project this guy has the support role. Okay, so this is it. He has one project, and in this project he has a role as support. Okay, so I go to another browser and just sign in with this user. So in our case that is Neo from the matrix, and I log in now. Okay, so I go to projects and then Agile, and I see that I have some options here, issues, settings, roadmap, and so on, but I do not have the Agile board. So this is the thing. Now I return back to Redmine where I have been logged in as administrator, and then go to administration and then roles and permissions, and here click on the support role. So the guy Neo from the matrix has a role of support. So I scroll down to the permissions and see that I have Agile and Agile backlog permissions. So yeah, I click the View Agile Boards option here, as well as View Backlog, alright? And I could also add View Agile Charts. Okay, so I scroll down to the very bottom and click on Save. So if I return back to Neo from the matrix, I refresh the Agile board and the Redmine in general here the page, and see that Agile and Agile backlog are now appearing. So this is the access management. So I have granted Neo from the matrix to have access to Agile and Agile backlog. And when I click Agile here, I see the Agile charts. So this is also the other option that I have granted to this guy. Okay, so if I return back and click on support, I see that there are other options which are up to you if you'd like to grant your users. So this is manage public Agile boards, add Agile boards. So currently I do not add, I cannot add Agile boards as Neo, manage sprints, as well as manage backlog. So yeah, this was the video about showing you how to use the access management feature for Agile board and Agile backlog. And I hope this video was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Okay, so thanks again for the patience for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as vote for our videos. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and bye bye for now.